Hi again. Our topic today is how to add and subtract fractions. We're going to use a method that they use in China and the Middle East. So when we're adding and subtracting fractions, the first thing we need to do is find the common denominator. So what we do, we make a long line. My common denominator between 4 and 2 is 4. So the method we use, we go 4 divided by 4, it's 1. So the quotient is 1. Now we multiply 1 to the top, you get 1. Plus 4 divided by 2 gives you 2. Multiply the 2 and 1, you get 2. So therefore, the answer is 3/4. Let's do that one more time with the next one. So here the common denominator, and it's the lowest common denominator always, it is 12. So what we do, we work from here, we go 12 divided by 3 gives me 4. Then I multiply the 4 to the top. 4 times 2 is 8. So that's what I write here, and then it's my plus sign. I do the same thing to the second fraction. I go 12 divided by 4 is 3. Multiply the 3 to the top. 3 times 1 is 3. And this will give you 11/12. That's the final answer. One more. The common denominator for this one is, or the lowest common denominator, it's 14. So I go 14 divided by 14 is 1. Multiply the 1 into 5, you get 5. Minus, I do the same thing to the second fraction. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And that's what I get here. And the final answer is 3/14. I think personally, this is a much better way to use, especially when you get into higher education and you're doing, let's say, grade 11, grade 12, and you're working with higher functions and so on. Doing common denominator this way will save you a lot of hassle. I hope you like this. Till my next video, bye-bye.